Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Samradhani and today I'm going to show you an interesting and an unusual way to do stretching. Do you know what is stretching? Stretching is a form of exercise in which we deliberately stretch and elongate our muscles. It has a lot of benefits. Stretching makes your muscles stronger, makes you more flexible and keeps you healthy. Always remember to do warm up before doing any kind of exercise. So let's start. Let's start with some sit-ups. Some jumping jacks. Some jogs. And let's rotate our neck. Slowly. Rotate your arms. Let's do a forward fold. Raise your arms and bend down. Try to touch your toes without bending your knees. Go as far as you can, don't force yourself. And slowly come up. Let's stretch our sides. Another side. Okay, so now that we are done with the warm-up, let's move on to the main activity. I'm going to tell you a short story and we are going to see different characters through the story. And we are going to enact the characters through stretching. Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily. One day, Lily and her grandfather go to a mango farm and they pluck some mangoes. Let's pluck some mangoes. Stretch your arms and imagine there's a big mango tree and you're plucking the mangoes. Balance on your toes and stretch your arms. There are some mangoes towards your left, towards your right, and done. Lily sees there are some mangoes on the ground. Let's pick up the mangoes from the ground. From the middle, from your right, from your left, and done. Now Lily sees some beautiful butterflies and Lily wants to play with the butterflies. So Lily decides to mimic the butterflies. Let's become butterflies. Go on the ground and sit like this and move your legs like this. This is called butterfly pose. But Lily sees that none of the butterflies are coming near her. You know why? Because there was a giant frog sitting next to Lily. You know how the frog was? The frog was sitting like this. Let's all become the giant frog. The frog is jumping around and trying to catch the butterflies. So the butterflies are not coming near Lily. Lily and her grandfather notices this. So her grandfather tries to become a snake to scare away the frog. Let's everyone become a snake. Lay on the floor like this with your hands on the sides and come up like this. This is called a cobra pose. And what does Lily see? Lily saw that the frog ran away. But you know what? Her grandfather hurt his back. So Lily asks him to do a forward fold. Let's do a forward fold. Let's get up from the ground, raise our hands and do a forward fold. Do not bend your knees. Try to touch your toes. And slowly come back. So now Lily is very happy. She played with the butterflies, the frog, she even became a snake, and she has so many mangoes. She just have to pick all the mangoes and put them into a basket. So let's imagine there are mangoes all over the ground and you have to pick them up and put in your basket. So now stand like this and bend down and imagine you're picking up the mangoes and putting them into the basket. From your right, from your left, from the center and from the back. Now pick up the basket. The baskets are very heavy. Lily picks up the basket and then she and her grandpa heads back to their home. I hope you all enjoyed the activity. Now I want you all to narrate the story that you like and enact the characters through stretching. If you like the video, leave a like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.